Torrential slide in a real sense is a mid-position digital money right now evaluated at $21.07 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $7.493,133.013, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Over the by and large past beautiful few years, digital currencies, including torrential slide, laid out in an every practical sense, solid traction in the worldwide monetary world, and truly are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, which generally is very critical. A few institutional financial backers even truly consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an exceptionally significant way. Retail financial backers and merchants certainly are somewhat keen on digital currencies truly, for example, Avax on the grounds that this sort of is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources in every practical sense have the potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a generally truly brief timeframe in a sort of significant manner. These profits sort of are certainly impossible in by and large different business sectors, which sort of is the justification for why most in every way that really matters, moderate financial backers truly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like torrential slide, while the groundbreaking ones most certainly give a huge part of their all things considered money to this quickly creating resource class in a kind of enormous manner. At this in every practical sense, specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of torrential slide to the level at $21.07, where it as of now sort of sits. As currently referenced, Avax fundamentally is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 14th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the essentially metric that's still up in the air by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a genuinely huge manner. On account of torrential slide, the market capitalization sort of stands at $7.493,133.013. The significance of this boundary will for the most part be made sense of later, Ursa the explicitly thought. Our cost expectation calculation generally is planned in genuinely such a manner that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to fundamentally furnish our endorsers with the most dependable data on the truly present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily really survey the condition of their portfolio and basically choose whether or not it especially needs to in a real sense be reconfigured. Certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which most certainly is really imperative for the truly right assessment of both pretty current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its kind of present and future course, which essentially is very huge. Underneath you will basically find key selections of this authentic information, so you also could truly have a comprehension of where the torrential slide market for the most part is going, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on November 17, Avax fundamentally was esteemed at $21.77 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Recall that cryptographic forms of money basically are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which is genuinely huge. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period explicitly added up to 3.61% in an exceptionally enormous manner. 7 days prior, on November 11, torrential slide sort of was exchanged at $14.76 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its current position, which certainly is genuinely huge. On October 18, which by and large was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $8.92, the cost level that most certainly is at the distance of 136.35% from where it presently truly remains in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of Avax and the readings of CVIX explicitly are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market capitalization most certainly is another significant genuinely metric that assists traders with in a real sense deciding the prevalence of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities. It's likewise used to basically evaluate the offer that torrential slide fundamentally holds inside the really whole digital currency market in a by and large huge manner. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization in a real sense is fairly straightforward. The circling supply of the money being referred to generally is duplicated by its exceptionally current cost. Pretty further appearance how underneath you will by and large find commonly key portions of this verifiable information, so you also could have a comprehension of where the torrential slide market especially is going, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Avax in every way that really matters remains at $7,493,133,013, enough to name it the 14th most certainly the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on November 17, the market capitalization of torrential slide remained at $7,740,706,190, which generally shows that it is likewise used to survey the offer that torrential slide sort of holds inside the truly whole digital currency market. 7 days prior, on November 11, the capitalization of Avax basically was $5,244,625,238, which explicitly is genuinely huge. A month prior, on October 18, how much exceptionally capital streaming around this kind of specific market sort of added up to $3,163,439,894 in a very large manner. Most digital money financial backers generally stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an especially certain cryptographic money and its capacity to sort of endure disturbances, which basically are the really normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market. The kind of greatest stock of torrential slide in every practical sense is 720,000,000 Avax. The extremely complete stock of Avax at present basically remains at 432,975,582 coins. The flowing stock of the cryptographic money under survey really is 355,599,402 Avax, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. This torrential slide cost expectation wouldn't really be finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the fundamentally metric utilized by practically all digital currency brokers to especially affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move incredibly. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain generally is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there in every practical sense is an exceptionally high likelihood that this move sort of is unreasonable and would bring about a bullish snare in an unobtrusive manner. Consequently, it is vital to really break down the essentially past and the extremely current exchanging volume of Avax request to in a real sense comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength, which explicitly is very critical. Over the sort of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the torrential slide market basically was enrolled at $1,022,079,884 in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on November 17, Avax in a real sense had an exchanging volume of $1,967,745,408, which all things considered is very huge. 7 days prior, on November 11, the sort of normal truly day-to-day exchanging volume on that market basically added up to $582,336,085 in an unpretentious manner.